Today we are going to stir fry okra or lady's fingers with dried anchovies or IKAN BILIS. We have here about 12 lady's fingers washed and sliced, about quarter bowl of dried anchovies, and 3 cloves of minced garlic. We start by frying the dried anchovies. Dried anchovies with the bones intact are a good source of calcium. Remove the heads and intestines, but leave the bones intact. As the anchovies are salty, rinse the anchovies 2 to 3 times to remove excess salt before cooking. When the anchovies are slightly brown and fragrant, add minced garlic and continue frying for another 30 seconds. Add okra, and add 1 teaspoon of sambal chilli. Fry for about 1 minute. I was reading the health benefits of okra and was surprised to learn that okra is a good source of calcium. It is high in dietary fibre and is good for the heart by lowering our cholesterol level. We should always add okra into our diet. Add half a bowl of water. Continue frying. It will take at least another 2 to 3 minutes. Add some water, tablespoon by tablespoon if it is too dry. Keep frying until the seeds are cooked. When ready, add seasoning to taste. As the sambal chilli and dried anchovies are already salty, I have to add only half a teaspoon of sugar. Enjoy!